Good frigid Friday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and we've got a very bitterly cold and active weather pattern on the way. This is the video forecast discussion for Friday and the holiday weekend, which is February 12th, 13th, and 14th, 2016. Active pattern on the way and bitterly cold Arctic air in place this morning. We've got temperature readings right now in the single digits across Sussex County and in the teens just about everywhere else this morning. These are the actual air temperatures, not factoring in the wind. And we have winter weather, well, we have winter weather advisories for, and these would be for basically wind chill advisories. And these wind chill advisories for the Poconos, including Sussex County, New Jersey, will be in effect until Sunday morning from 4 p.m. Saturday afternoon into 4 a.m. on Sunday morning. I stand corrected with that. Let's see if we can get the counties up here. Okay, we've got Sussex and the Poconos here, and these are in effect from now until 1 p.m. on Sunday. Also for portions of Bergen and Passaic counties, northern western New Jersey, the lower Hudson River Valley into Connecticut, southeastern shores, wind chill advisories until noon on Sunday. And for the New York City metropolitan area, we have small craft advisories on the waters, but we also have gale warning too. And I do believe we're going to be in for wind chill advisories in this area across New York City and northwestern New Jersey as the National Weather Service continues to extend these advisories further to the south and west given the current conditions in place. On the coastal waters, we have gale warnings in effect through Sunday morning, and this includes the back bays of the Delaware here, and also for the Battery, the lower Hudson River here, small craft advisories right through Friday. That's probably going to be extended into the weekend too. South Shore and east ends of Long Island, gale warnings and freezing spray advisories. All of this into early on Sunday morning for the North Shore, South Shore of Long Island and Connecticut, and also for the open waters here. On the aviational weather deck today, predominantly VFR conditions expected through late afternoon. There is a chance for a snow shower increasing across the region, lasting through the evening hours at some terminals as another short wave moves through the upper Midwest flow. And those snow showers, with those, we'll expect some MVFR conditions, possibly brief IFR conditions. At this point, expect the highest risk of snow showers to include Allentown, Reading, and Trenton, North Philadelphia and the Philadelphia metro area, although there is a small chance at other TAF sites as well. Small chance should decrease considerably after late this evening, and then, however, MVFR ceilings may persist beyond that. The outlook for Saturday, generally VFR isolated snow showers possible, again reducing visibilities temporarily. Northwest winds increasing Saturday, 15 to 25 knots, gust up to 40 knots. Saturday night and Sunday VFR, but northwest winds 10 to 25 knots, gust up to 35 knots early, diminishing late into Sunday, gusts still 20 to 25 knots into early on Sunday. Monday night and Monday itself, degrading conditions, MVFR, IFR likely through the day, Monday into Monday night. Snow possibly beginning Monday for many areas, possibly mixing with rain at times for some areas, still uncertain on that. Tuesday, MVFR and IFR conditions continuing into Tuesday. Precipitation may change over to rain for many areas during the day. Volatile forecast, active forecast going in. Right now outside of Newark, 15 degrees, dew point 0, humidity 50%, the wind is west at 6, clear skies, and expect a scattered to broken cloud cover into the afternoon with the snow shower here and there, and that will 16 degrees Fahrenheit at Philadelphia, dew point 1, humidity 51%, the wind is southwest, almost west at 6, few clouds at 5,500, 18,000, and 30,000, VFR conditions in place, but an afternoon snow shower not out of the question. Now, bitterly cold temperatures will move into the area this weekend. Temperatures Saturday night and early Sunday morning will fall to around 0 in and around New York City and New Jersey's metro, Long Island, and coastal Connecticut. Temperatures will fall to 5 to 10 below across interior portions of northeastern New Jersey, the lower Hudson Valley, southern Connecticut. Wind chill values during this time could reach life-threatening levels as cold as 20 to 30 degrees below 0. High temperatures on Sunday will only be in the teens. Cold spells of this magnitude bring the risk of frostbite and hypothermia to anyone who does not take proper precautions. In addition, frozen pipes and overworked faucets, or furnaces rather, could leave your house without heat or running water, and car batteries run the risk of dying. Never venture outdoors without wearing gloves, a hat, and several layers of clothing. Wind chill values late Saturday night into Sunday morning could lead to frostbite in less than 30 minutes if proper precautions are not taken. Run water at a trickle and keep cabinet doors open to prevent pipes from freezing. Never use a stove or oven to heat your home or use an open flame to melt frozen pipes. Many house fires result from these practices. Check tire pressure and car battery levels. Be sure your car has a wintry safety kit that includes a blanket, warm clothes, and gloves in case the car breaks down or becomes stranded. And take extra steps to keep your pets warm and know their limits to the cold. This is what it's going to feel like at its coldest point here at sunrise on Sunday morning, Valentine's Day. You're going to want to stay inside pretty much the entire day and order in rather than order out. So anyway, temperatures are going to be, this is what it's going to feel with the winds on Sunday morning. Temperatures here 15, 20, 25 degrees below zero, just bitterly, dangerously cold. Real feels on Sunday morning. Today we're going to use the Canadian GEM model, reflection GFS and European model guidance. I think this is a split between the two. And now nothing is going to be pegged down this early in the forecast for the Monday night through Tuesday event here, but it does look like we'll be on the leading edge of a warming trend, rapidly warming air by Tuesday, and any precipitation that starts off as snow could be a burst on Monday afternoon or Monday evening before followed by icy and then rain conditions by Tuesday, but nonetheless a very active pattern going in. Notice these thicknesses here. This is bitterly cold Arctic air. We still have streamers. Here comes another cold front through the region. This is another Arctic front that will be passing through the region on Saturday morning. It's going to introduce us to a few snow showers here across the region. Could be accompanied by a few of those, an area of low pressure moving off the coast, an ocean enhancement here to some of these snow showers. If you're out there, freezing spray on the water, gale warnings in effect. And just bitterly cold air just reinforces itself through the region on Saturday night and Sunday morning. Dangerous to be outside with unprotected body exposure here. And here comes our next system, the Arctic high moving off the coast and then a warming trend. But notice the isobars here as they're showing a cold air damming situation giving way to rapid warming. But usually front end rapid warmings lead to a thump of snow across the forecast region. This would occur on a Monday afternoon into Monday night, first from southwest into northeast, and by Tuesday morning the snow will begin to come down a little bit heavy from 78 north through 80 here into parts of the Hudson River Valley area, White Plains, and then this model guidance then just shows everything going over to sleet and then moderate pockets of rain as the coastal low takes form and shape here over the Virginia Capes and then moves up close to the coastline here. A moderate to heavy rain, so we're going to have a thumping of moderate to heavy snow followed by a very heavy rain that's going to lead to rapid melting. It's going to lead to urban and street flooding and coastal flooding as well. And of course, where all of this lies in the Tuesday time frame will delineate watches, warnings, and advisories, and we just don't know that yet, but I can tell you that this is a juicy system with about 1 to 2 inches of liquid equivalent, some of that falling in the front end as snow. So as this storm exits the coast on Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning, it's followed by another clipper and cold front moving through, just a few snow showers around the region on Wednesday afternoon as the next clipper and cold front move through the region, and then followed by another storm system, another weak clipper here moving through the Virginia Capes here on Thursday. Active pattern in place, cold. We could see some more additional snow in the Delmarva, southern New Jersey area on Thursday morning. So without getting ahead of ourselves here, wanted to show you the early potential here. This is the Canadian model guidance showing about 3, 4, 6 inches of snow. If we moved up to the GFS, it's showing far less in the 6Z run across the entire forecast region. Now, the difference between these two models is how they're handling the interaction of the warming, the rapid warming, and how much snow falls prior to everything going over to sleet and then rain. But this is a volatile forecast and could change rapidly over the next several runs as we get more data from RAOB as the storm system gets into better RAOB data here into the United States of America rather than out over the Pacific. But if we looked at the thermodynamics here, this is just incredibly cold air over the forecast region retreating. We'll go back to Sunday. Notice the bitterly cold Arctic air that's in place. Get into Monday and already a surge of warm air, low-level advection occurring in the mid-levels here and the lower levels of the atmosphere, strong south to southeast winds, and this is going to lead to rapid warming. So thump of snow, then sleet, then rain from Monday night into Tuesday. Complicated forecast going forward. So it behooves you to really pay attention out there and dress appropriately across the entire forecast region this weekend, as this is the coldest air we've seen in many years over just a short period of time from today right through Sunday. Enjoy your President's Weekend and your Valentine's Weekend safely and warm inside with your loved ones. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. We'll be back with great details on your winter forecast going forward on Monday morning. Have a good weekend.